This is a new social media platform that looks like TikTok, and this project is going to overtake TikTok very soon. Ask me why. Because this project is paying you whilst you are watching videos on this platform. So I will take you through on how to register this. Please, those on TikTok, you will find it difficult to get the referral link, so kindly WhatsApp me on the number you will be seeing on this screen, and I will add you to our WhatsApp platform. Alright, so after you've entered your email, your password, they will ask you to send they'll ask you to enter email verification code. So you go to send, then you go and copy. You tap on the send and you go and copy your confirmation code or verification code. You go and copy your verification code from the email that you used for the registration. So you go to send code, then you select I'm not a robot, then this one says select all bicycles. Then you go to your email. Alright, so when you go to your email, kindly go to the spam. If you don't see it in the primary inbox, kindly go to the spam. You will see it in the spam box. So you copy, then you go back to your G, then you paste in the code that you copied, then you go to sign up. So after successful registration, those using the Apple can download it from this one, and the Android users also can also use this, and you can also directly download the app from your browser. Okay, so after you've log in your details that you use for the registration, you come to this rocket symbol here. You can see that I've earned 3.8 G. Anytime you watch video, you are going to get 1.7 G. So this one is trying to tell me that I have browsed to earn 3.8 G, making it equivalent to $7 within 2 days. So this project is going to be launched very soon. So when they launch this GT coin, you can swap it to any of the cryptocurrencies here, then you enjoy yourself. Thank you very much. So those who are on the TikTok, please kindly WhatsApp me on the number that is on the screen, and I will send you the referral link and add you to our WhatsApp group so that you can also benefit from this project. Also, kindly follow us right away so that when we hit 1,000 followers, we will be able to add the group link in the bio. Thank you very much once again.